Hi TVS, welcome back to my new video on Codemaster Lab. In this video, we will see a simple program that prints the results of all the operators available in C, including pre-increment, post-increment, pre-decrement, post-decrement, bitwise operator, or and everything. Okay, so for that, we require some standard inputs as well. We will read some standard inputs. Based on that, we will do that. Okay, this is a simple exercise which we need to do the practice session. For this, the standard input, to take the standard input, we need scanf as a keyword. This is a keyword, as I discussed in my previous video. It's a keyword. So pre-increment will be like you need to take the value in an integer a or b, and before that, if you add plus plus, that is pre-increment. Post is afterwards. Bitwise is something like and, ampersand, or, not, XOR. Relational operators are like double equals to, means whether a equal to 3 if I have taken and b equal to 3 if I have taken. So a is logically equals to b or not. To check that, so we write double equal to. To assign a value, we write single equal. To check the value, we write double equal. So similarly, we have relational operators. So these are the other relational operators, and also we have similar pre-decrement, post-decrement, logical and logical or, logical not, arithmetic operations will say it. So this is what we will be looking. Let's go to my screen where on the website for the real-time purpose. So now we have printf. We will remove the printf as of now, and we will do arithmetic operations, logical and bitwise operations, and also pre-increment and post-increment. Okay, just I am writing it in the comment as I told you. So previously, like, we will write the comments. If comments are more, then we use slash star, and we'll close with star and slash. At first, we will initialize the variables a, b, c. Then we will show a user like to enter a value of a. Then we will scan the value. So we will take the value. To take the value and keep it in a, we write and operator, and then we write the value. Similarly, we'll take the value of b as well. Now if you have any addition arithmetic operation, then you can able to store it and you can display in C variable. Those kind of things you can do it out. But here we will go with first arithmetic operator. We will as we have already taken the values, we will just display a plus b, the value, result value. So here we can write like a plus b. Similarly, we can write a minus b, and all the operations can be added. This is a very simple video or very simple program which you can write. If you find in lab internals or lab externals, it's a very simple project. Okay, we also added modulus. So if you want to add modulus, you can add modulus and you can do it out. Similarly, we will go with logical operation. In logical operation, as I told you, only single and all we will get. Okay, first we'll take with not, means not value. If it is 1, it will be 0. If it is 0, it is 1. So not operation. Then will be like and operation. Okay, logically something like we have double ands, ampersand, or not. So logical is done. Similarly, you go ahead with the bitwise operations. So here we have single and or values. We have also XOR value here, as we have discussed in theory. We will also write pre-increment and post-increment and decrements value as well. So we will copy complete thing. Now pre-increment is something we'll increase the value, and then it will get it will display in next time. So if you want a complete video on pre-increment, and if you don't understand what is this pre-increment and post-increment or decrement values, so just comment below. I'll create an entire video on pre-increment, how does it works and what it is, pre-increment and post-increment. And also we'll to get the values on a new line, we also add /n is nothing but new line to get the value in the new line, to display the value in a new line. So here you go. So I have executed it. You got your arithmetic operations. You can check the values. I have enter a value as 2 and b value as 3. So based on that, the operations has been performed, and you can able to cross verify them. So here you go. logical operations, bitwise operation. In logical operations, we have not written /n, so you can write /n and then you can get it in a new line. So that's what pre-increment, post-increment. If you have all, you can able to see like 3. So for this, if you have any questions or doubts, you just comment below. I'll clear your doubts by creating a new video and make you understand about the pre and post increment and decrement. Hope you have liked this video. Thank you for watching.